Hi students, this is a new song for the ukulele class, Free as a Bird. You may know that I introduced this to my other class on Saturday, but they don't have to have all the fun. It translates very well for the ukulele. Now, I want to talk about the chords. The E they show here, I copied an E seventh because in different performances of the song, it is an E seventh. And then when you see the E sus4, not that chord, but I would suggest that you just remember to X out the ring finger from the E seventh, and you just play the first two fingers of the E seventh without this chord. Let me demonstrate. So the E seventh, I'm suggesting, the E is the E seventh, this one, and the E sus4 is this. Notice suspension and then resolution. The first chord is an A. The next chord is an F sharp seventh. We remember this from George Harrison's Between the Devil and the Deep Blue Sea. It's first finger on the first fret of the third string, and then second finger, second fret of the fourth, and ring finger, second fret of the second string. You have a D minor, and then we have G, and all the E's are E sevenths, and this E sus4. Now there's an excellent tutorial that I've already added to the Canvas page. And if you watch the video, the official Beatles video for this song that was their last song until Now and Then was released last week, at the very end, there's a George Harrison ukulele rendition of When I'm Washing Windows. And unfortunately, George is not the vaudevillian that's strumming the chords. But the tutorial has those chords. It's on the second. Capo, and it's really easy. And it's very fast, but it's easy. And it includes a diminished chord, which is this, kind of this. A diminished chord is always this hashtag. You have frets 2 and 4 in the second, and you have 1 and 3 in the third. Is it? It's kind of fast. Well, you'll see it at the end. And I also have the chords for it. I downloaded that into the downloads. The tutorial chord sheets is there also. If you want to look at that little tribute to When I'm Washing Windows at the end of Free as a Bird. It's kind of cool. So let's look at this song now. And the intro, the strum is down, down, up, down, down, up. And it's slow. A 1, 2, intro, listen. It's the next best thing to be free as a bird. Home and dry, like a hummingbird I fly. quickly talk about that. The A without, and then the A with a G in the bass, each other. What you're doing there is, can we really live without each other? The A with a G in the bass is basically an A seventh, one finger. Here's A. For the G to be in the bass, you release that, so now, but it's an A seventh in essence. But that's the way to finger it, and that's what they show here as well. Going back to that spot, this is the middle or the chorus. Whatever happened to, I'll take it right there. 3, 4. Whatever happened to the life that we once knew? Can we really live without each other? Where did we lose that touch that seemed to mean so much? It always made me feel so free. As a bird, it's the next best thing to be. Free as a bird. Home and dry, like a hummingbird I fly on the bird of wings. Whatever happened to the life that we once knew? It always made me feel so, so. Free, and then it goes on. By the way, G sharp, the G sharp to G, what do they have? Oh, yeah. I just play it like this without that first finger. So what I do for the G sharp G, they show a chord like this for G sharp. In other words, you're making the G with these fingers while you put the first finger here. I'm just doing this. And not playing the fourth string. So I'm just playing, here's the G. I go up a fret. And then, yeah. This is a great song. This is a fantastic song. And it really is a tribute, to John, a scratchy tape with him playing piano, and then they fixed it, they put it in time, because he didn't have a click track, and then they cleaned up the scratchy Scotch cassette tape. Everybody had those, in the 70s, and then they put multi-tracks. Now there's the last, Now and Then, which is the similar story. Except they couldn't isolate John's voice in '95 when they did Free as a Bird and Real Love. Technology now, the algorithms, was able to cleanly remove his voice from the piano, isolate it, and then with AI make it a pure, crystal clear, fill in all the missing sine waves. And it's a miracle of times. Great time to be around. Ladies and gentlemen, have fun with that.